Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Just a quick update. This is the Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe. In the earlier video we did a brief walk around off the trailer. As promised, we now have the front end or front nose section just resting on the ground, and now you can see how nice of a job they do with their frames and suspension and the basic design, and also how nice of a job the father and son did with the pre-assembly. So he's got he went with a carbureted engine. We got nice MSD. The battery tray is down below. So these are engineered quite nicely, and you can see the modular frame. It looks quite sharp. The brackets are just pre-hung for the front. You can see this the big aluminum area here where you see a lot of that. So we'll come up with something a little bit nicer there, because don't really care for that look too much at all, and you'll see some of that visually from the outside of it. But a lot of components, obviously they're all brand new. There's some massaging that's going to need to be done between the flange, the headers, and the side pipes. The customer is having some difficulty with the pipes, and so we're going to go through all that stuff and the wiring. The accelerator cable is kind of coming out of an odd spot, so just a lot of stuff we're going to kind of just take a closer look at and see if we can improve on. And you can see our upper rad hose, there's something going on there. The kink doesn't look quite right, and so we'll be doing something with that just to kind of update it. But you can see lots of nice billet stuff and polished items, and then we'll just deal with the plain aluminum sections. We'll do something with that so it won't take your eye away from the overall appearance. And then you can see in the back here we had some of the aluminum just kind of piled in here, and now you can see once again the nice engineered frame. The brackets that are adjustable for the back section of the body that are bolted in, and then you've got your roll bar and your mounting points for your suspension, and then you've got this nice gas tank, and all these components are new. You can do these with a donor, but this is all new components here. And then there's some concern about fitting all of the pieces on the inside. The roll bar and body might be in the way, so we'll take a look at that and see. So just a quick update with the front end off and the aluminum exposed, just so you can see the structure. It's quite a nice structure. So this is the Type 65 Coupe from Factory 5 Racing, and I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.